Hello and welcome to day 5 of 6 days of spooky sound effects. So today what we're going to be doing is getting some bubbling sounds. It'll be good for cauldrons and things like that. The trick to get a nice bubbling sound is you have to have the bubbling, but you don't want to hear the heat source. You normally need to boil a liquid. So for example, like the gas stove or a fire. So one way to get around that is with dry ice. So this right here, I have a piece of dry ice in a bowl right there. And then we have some hot water. So the trick here is to have the dry ice in the bowl, and then we're going to pour in the hot water. Go ahead and pour in some more. And then you get that nice bubbling sound. All right, and that's how you record bubbling sounds. Hope you tune in tomorrow for the last day of 6 days of spooky sound effects.